There are several things you can do to speed up your PC for daily use. Uninstall unnecessary programs. Go through your list of installed programs and remove any that you don't use or need. This will free up space on your hard drive and help your PC run faster. Disable startup programs. Many programs will automatically start up when you turn on your PC, which can slow down the startup process. Go through your list of startup programs and disable any that you don't need. Clean up your hard drive. Use a disk cleanup tool to remove temporary files, cache files, and other unnecessary files that are taking up space on your hard drive. Disable visual effects. Windows has a lot of visual effects that can make your PC look nice, but they can also slow it down. Disable any visual effects that you don't need. Update your drivers. Make sure all of your drivers are up to date. You can usually find updates on the manufacturer's website. Run your virus scan. Sometimes a virus or malware can slow down your PC. Run a virus scan to make sure your PC is clean. Open Run. Type my following text, and check the description box. By following these steps, you should be able to speed up your PC for daily use. If you want to stay updated with technology, if you are interested in PC tricks, PC problem solutions, software reviews, Windows-related problems, then please you can subscribe to our channel.